Hello, Simai, and welcome to Welsh Phrase of the Week. My name's William Hugh and I'm a Welsh learner. Now today's phrase is going to be handy if you're a driver because it allows you to describe what the traffic's like. And the phrase is Mae'r traffig yn ofnadwy heddiw. The traffic is terrible today. Mae'r traffig yn ofnadwy heddiw. I'll say it slowly so you can get the pronunciation. Mae'r traffig yn ofnadwy heddiw. Mae'r traffig yn ofnadwy heddiw. The traffic is terrible today. Well, that's all for this week. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you here next week. Hwyl fawr I chi.